In this video, I'll show you how to fix high disk usage on your Windows 10 and Windows 11. Now the first thing you should try is simply go here and search for Windows Update. Check if you have an update and take it if you have one. After that, what you can do is search for notification and action settings. Come in here, make sure you disable get tips, tricks and suggestions, because for some reason this causes errors for some people. Now after that, what you can do is search for power, edit the power plan, come back to power options and choose high performance. After that, search for disk cleanup, choose your drive, press OK and just select everything in here and press OK. Now this will clean up your drive, and you can do it on the other drive as well if you have more than one. Now after you've done this, you should right click on your recycle bin and empty it, just to make sure you delete everything in here. Now while it's doing that, what you can do is come down here and search for run, press enter, type in temp. In here you want to delete everything. If this pops up, just press this one and press skip and do it again, and this doesn't matter. Then type run again and type %temp% and do the exact same. Now skip this one, click skip and just do this and let these stay. Now clear your recycle bin once again by emptying it. And the last thing you can try is you can search for task manager, open it up, go to processes and click on disk. Now this will sort by the one that uses the most disk. So if you see something like OBS Studio, you can just enter task, Google Chrome enter task. Now obviously I'm only at 1%, but if you have something taking like 50% of your disk, you might want to enter task. Now after all of this, you should hopefully have lower disk. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.